Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Piyush Goyal, and today we are diving into another concept in application administration. We will explore how to generate EAR files using various techniques. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, what exactly is an EAR file? Well, an enterprise archive file is like a digital suitcase for our application. Think of it as the only package that travels with our application from development to deployment phase. Inside this EAR file, we will find everything that our application needs to run smoothly in the runtime environment. That include the main application module as well as the any shared module it relies on. All right, now that we have understood the importance of enterprise archive file, let's explore how we can generate it. There are several methods to create an EAR file, each tailored for different use case. The first method is to export application for deployment. In our development environment, we will typically find an option to export or deploy your application. Simply selecting that option in our project will package our application into an EAR file ready for deployment. Let's have a look. Another convenient method is drag and drop. This is as straightforward as it sounds. We just have to drag our application project or files into the designated folder and it will generate the EAR file automatically upon dropping. Let's have a look. Another convenient way is to right click and selecting create enterprise archive method. In our development environment, we can simply right click on the project and then we will have an option to create the EAR file. Clicking on it will generate the EAR file in no time. So you can have a look. Lastly, for more advanced user or automation purpose, we can utilize a command line utility called BWDesign to create the EAR file quickly and efficiently. With just a simple command, we can achieve the same result, making the process even more streamlined and customizable to fit our specific requirements. So you can have a look. Thank you guys. That is all for today.